Have you ever wondered how your web browser talks to Google's servers when you search for something? Or how your messaging app sends your texts to your friend on the other side of the world? The answer lies in something called TCP client and server communication. TCP stands for Transmission Control Protocol and is backbone of almost everything we do on internet. Think of TCP as a postal service, but for digital data. When you want to send a letter through regular mail, you need an address, a postal service, and someone to receive it on the other end. TCP works similarly. It ensures your data gets from point A to point B reliably and in the right order. Now, in any TCP communication, we have two main players, the client and the server. The server is like a restaurant that's always open, waiting for customers to come in. The client is like a customer who walks into that restaurant and places an order. The server listens on a specific port. Think of this as the restaurant's address. The client connects to that address and starts a conversation. Now, TCP client and server work together in following way. 1. Server. Setup. The TCP server starts first. It binds to an IP address and port. It begins listening for incoming connections. Client connection 1. The TCP client initiates a connection to the server's IP and port. 2. Working of request. First, SYN. Client says send SYN packet to server. Client says I want to connect. Second, SYN-ACK server replies with SYN-ACK packet. It says, got your request. Here's my sequence number, and I acknowledge yours. And third, ACK. Client sends ACK packet back. It says, let's go. Now this type of handshake is called as three-way handshake. Third, data exchange. First, once connected, both sides can send and receive data. Second, TCP ensures that all data is delivered accurately and in sequence. 4. Connection. Termination. First, either side can close the connection when done. Second, TCP ensures a graceful shutdown, so no data is lost.